Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of dilated fetal ventricles in pregnancy of about 28 weeks. You can see the fetal head and ventricles are dilated, especially the lateral ventricles. Ventromegaly is a condition in which ventricles appear larger than normal on a prenatal ultrasound. This can occur when cerebrospinal fluid CSF becomes trapped in the spaces, causing them to grow large. Ventricles develop early in pregnancy and can be seen on a prenatal ultrasound in second trimester at about 15 weeks. If the child has mildly dilated, mildly enlarged brain ventricles or ventromegaly without other complications, the condition may resolve on its own. You can see the measurement of the ventricles, and this is severe ventromegaly as the measurement is 19.3 millimeter. So I will describe you later in this video about the classification of mild, moderate, or severe ventromegaly. If the ventricles are more than 15 millimeter wide, as in this case, the enlargement is considered severe. Fetal ventromegaly occurs in approximately 1 in every 1,000 births, and in roughly half of the cases, there are no other findings or abnormalities in the baby. In the normal fetal brain, as you can see, the duration of the pregnancy is about 28 weeks. In a normal fetal brain, ventricles are less than 10 millimeter wide. When the ventricles are between 10 millimeter up to the 10 millimeter and 15 millimeter wide, the baby is diagnosed as mild ventromegaly. If the ventricles are more than 15 millimeter wide, the enlargement is considered severe. Now, another school of thought is that if the measurement is between 10 to 12, it is mild. If it is 12 to 15, it is moderate. And if it is more than 15 millimeter, it is severe. If the fetus has mildly enlarged brain ventricles or ventromegaly without other complication, the condition may resolve on its own. When hydrocephalus is more severe or progressive, timely treatment is important. In this case also, there was no other complication. Mild ventromegaly is different from more severe form of ventromegaly, hydrocephalus or water on brain. About 1 in every 500 babies will have mild ventromegaly. In most cases, babies with this ultrasound finding are born healthy. So, when an injury or illness alters the circulation of cerebrospinal fluid, one or more of the ventricles becomes enlarged. As cerebrospinal fluid accumulates in an adult, the skull is rigid and cannot expand, so the pressure on the brain may increase profoundly. Hydrocephalus is a chronic condition. It can be controlled by, but usually not cured. We will see if any other finding is visible. You can see the fetal oral cavity, eyes, and face of the fetus. Now this is the fetal oral cavity. The mouth is slightly open. The lips are open slightly wide apart. Now the ventricle size usually either stays the same or gets smaller later in pregnancy. If it stays the normal, but it may get smaller later in pregnancy. The ventricle may even return to a normal size in some cases. However, 1 in 10 babies with mild ventromegaly, that's 10% of ventricles get larger. Now you can see another finding is visible, the cleft lip. You can see the cut in the upper lip. So the ventricle is typically categorized in one of two ways, that is mild 10 to 15, as I have already told you, or severe more than 15 millimeter, or as mild 10 to 12 millimeter, moderate 13 to 15 millimeter, or severe more than 15 millimeter. The incidence of mild to moderate fetal ventromegaly is approximately 1%. Again, you can see the cleft lip. Now you can see this is the cut in the upper lip due to the presence of cleft lip. Ventromegaly associated with abnormal finding and other structure malformations often has an adverse prognosis which ranges from disability, often mild, to fetal demise. However, in cases of mild isolated ventromegaly, there is around 90% chance of normal outcome. Approximately 5% of the cases of the mild to moderate ventromegaly are reported to result from congenital fetal infections. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.